Good morning, YouTube. Tutnerd here. It is September 12th, 2018. This is the introduction video to a series of videos that I'm going to be recording that I'm actually very excited about. And the series of videos is called Affiliate Website School. The reason I'm doing this is because I see a huge need for some schooling out there as far as what to do with affiliate websites, where to host them, and mainly how to build them and what to put on them. There are so many misconceptions about what you need to do with a website in order to make money with an affiliate program like Amazon or Commission Junction or something of that nature. There's just too much misinformation being spread, and I'm here to put an end to it. Okay. So as you can see on my screen, this really won't mean anything until the first video, but there's kind of a logo going on up here in Photoshop, Morning Deuces. I will be using a domain name called morningdeuces.com. Don't ask where the name came from. It really doesn't mean anything to me. It was a funny idea I had one morning, literally while I was on the porcelain throne, as where many ideas come from. I was sitting there and I thought, I put up a peace sign and I thought, oh, deuces. People say deuces when they put up a peace sign. And then I thought, wow, I did that while I was, going to the bathroom in the morning. Morning deuces. And literally, that is when I bought the domain name on my phone, sitting in the bathroom. So there you go. But the domain's been sitting in my domain list for months. I've done nothing with it. And since I'm launching this series of videos, Affiliate Website School series of videos, I decided to put it to good use. I think it's a cool name. Morning Deuces, regardless of where it came from, it's a cool name. I realize there's different ways to spell deuce or deuces, but this is the one I chose. And what we're going to do is we're going to be teaching you guys how to build better websites. And we're going to teach you how to build better websites using content. Unique and useful content. We're going to teach you guys how it is that you're going to stay motivated to keep putting that unique and useful content on your website. And I, for instance, will use Morning Deuces. I will pick a topic that I absolutely love or something I'm very interested in, something that will keep me motivated to keep posting information. And I will use morningdeuces.com to teach you guys how to brand a website, how to build it, where to host it, and how to effectively get organic traffic coming to your website by people that type in keywords looking for things or looking for information, and do all of this without spending thousands and thousands of dollars. Yes, my friends, you can learn how to do all this stuff and actually make money with an affiliate website without spending tons of money. You can literally do it by spending $100, $200 a year. That's all you got to do. I'm not asking you guys for anything. I'm not asking you to buy anything. I'm here to simply show you how to do it. I'm going to share my skills that I have picked up over 12 years of being a professional web designer and going to college for it. Trust me, I learned a lot more after college about web design and dealing with customers and people than I did while I was in college. The college gave me a great head start. I'm not knocking it at all, but I did learn a lot from the knocks of life, I guess you could say. But since I have built up a great trick bag of, I like to call it my bag of tricks. I've got a great trick bag. I can teach you, and I'm going to teach you how to build an effective, beautiful affiliate website where people will actually find it by typing keywords into Google or Yahoo or whatever else Bing, and how you can make money with an affiliate program. And it's not going to cost you a dime. It's going to cost you your time to watch my videos, but I'm not charging you anything. So that's basically all I have to say for the introduction video. I know this was kind of boring. I should have probably said at the beginning, if you're not interested in the introduction, go ahead and skip to the first video, but I didn't. I forgot. And so it was under 5 minutes, and I'm happy about that. So good luck to you. I look forward to seeing you and interacting with you, answering questions, and helping you guys get all your websites up to par where you need them to be.